Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5, chapter determinant, exercise 2. We have reached question number 30 here, and determinant or a matrix is given to us, and we have to show that transpose of matrix into inverse of the matrix is given to us. So this question involves the basic fundamental of finding the inverse of the matrix, transpose of a matrix, and a little bit of trigonometry also. First thing first, let's be ready with transpose. So 1 tan x and then minus tan x and 1. So this is A transpose. Now, to find the inverse, first we have to find the determinant value. Determinant value of this will be 1 minus plus tan square. So 1 plus tan square x is nothing but sec square x. It is sec square x. So let's find A inverse. So A inverse is adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint of matrix is 1 interchange and then minus tan x and tan x here, right? And divide with sec square x. So divide with sec square x. So division with sec square is nothing but multiplying with cos square. So we get what? Cos square x. Cos square minus tan. So cos, sin, cos. So this is nothing but sin x, cos x with a minus. Same thing here, sin x, cos x. And this one is cos square. So we are ready with our inverse now. All we have to do is now multiply. So cos square x minus sin x, cos x. And then cos x, sin x. And cos square x. After that, just do multiplication. How we do simply cos square x. Then this is tan meaning sin by cos. So cos square is gone. So we get cos square x minus sin square x. And now again minus sin x cos x. What is this? Minus of again sin by cos. Cos has gone. So minus 2 times sin x cos. Okay, what happens here? Sin by cos. So cos has gone. Sin x cos x. So 2 times sin x cos x. This is simply multiplying, matrix multiplication. So again sin x cos x. So sin by cos has gone. So minus sin square plus cos square. So again this is cos square x minus sin square x. So just by multiplying the elements using the multiplication of matrix property, we get this. After that, a little bit of revision of our trigonometric functions. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x with a minus sign. This again is sin 2x. And this is cos 2x. This is our, okay, it keeps on moving. So this is our answer. Thank you.